This is a product from Pictek. It is a portable dehumidifier. It runs off electricity. It's very small, great for any areas around 1100 cubic feet. It holds up to 17 ounces of water, which it will draw out of the air. It's very simple to set up. There's really nothing to do, and it's pretty much a turn it on, forget it type product because it has an automatic shut off when your water level is full. I'll bring up some of their pictures. This is the on and off switch. This lights up, well, it's yellow right there because it should be green. I'm not sure why they're showing it yellow, but that will be green when the power's on, and then this bottom one says full turns yellow when it is full. And as I said, it shuts itself off. This is just what's kind of inside. This is a semiconductor, which is basically your dehumidifier, which is this. This is your water tray or container, whichever you want to call it. It simply just slides out. I'll show you that on the unit in a minute. Daily humidity is removal up to 250 milliliters. It discourages bacteria growth and removes the moisture. Basically, you'll feel air coming out of this, showing that it's working properly. It is whisper quiet. Mine's actually running right next to me right here. You can see the green lights on. I'll try and get as close as I can. Maybe you can hear it. I don't know. That's a good thing though, because if you can't hear it, it's doing its job. Easy drainage. 500 milliliter draw out type drain tank. Full water reminder. I'm not sure if they're showing it in this picture, but there's a little plug that you pull on this tank, and that's how you drain it. It's very simple. There it is, like in a closet. Anywhere that's, you have some leather goods and stuff like that, you don't want to have getting damp if it's next to a bathroom or something like that. This is what you get in the box. You'll get this power supply, which will be in this box right here. The box for the actual unit is going to look like this. It has a little bit of information on it. What's in the box: one mini dehumidifier, the DC adapter, and an instructions manual. And the instruction manual was very thorough. It was nice, had pictures and everything, so that makes me happy when they're at least putting out a good directions. Specifications are all there. The output is 9 volts at 2.5 amps. So it's basically similar to a cell phone. The capacity is 500 milliliters. The voltage is DC at 9 volts. And the power is 22 watts. On the side of the box, it has some areas you can keep it in: the office, your wardrobe, Caravan, a garage, Caravan being your car, depending on what country you're from, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, things of that nature. You can see how small the unit is itself. It's very lightweight. Mine doesn't have any water in it right now because the room I'm in never is damp. But there's your on and off switch right here. You'll hear it click, showing you that it's on, and there's also a green light showing you an LED. The back is basically just where your power goes, right there at the bottom. A few of your safety regulations are on there for fire prevention and whatnot. It's an ABS plastic. It's pretty tough. I'll shut it off. Just pull the drawer out, but that's how easy the drawer comes out. And up at that top right there is the water plug, the black thing on the left. That just pops right out and you empty out the unit. It's the water you get. I was getting close to 2 ounces of water in a 24-hour period when I was using it. Of course, your results may vary depending on how wet the area is, but it's very handy, very small. You can pretty much pick it up, put it anywhere you want within the guidelines of what it can withdraw from the air, as in size. It extracts up to 8.5 ounces per day. Features a 17-ounce, 5 milliliter water tank with visible water level. As you can see through this. I would like if they'd put an LED light in there for like at night. You don't always need to check it at night, but still. And it also shuts off by itself, so I guess there's really no need to see the water. Shuts off automatically if it reaches capacity, and a light up indicator will light yellow to remind you to empty the tank. It is very whisper quiet, low energy consumption, so no need to worry about that. It's eco-friendly, so good for Pictek for making a great product that's also eco-friendly. But overall, it just does its job, and it's kind of a set it and forget it type product, which I like. And you can get it at Amazon.com for $49.99. You can click on Pictek's link right here to see more of their products. And they have a bunch of things. Maybe something else will be in your realm of what you need. But overall, I really like this. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now. And I want to thank Pictek for sending it to me for reviewing purposes. You can see more of my reviews at techgeeks.com. That's TECKgeeks.com. Our social media buttons are there, so like and follow us. And you're going to do so because we have product giveaways often, and you have to be registered to the site in order to win one. And to know about it, we announce through YouTube, so you're going to want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that way you'll get email alerts whenever I post a new video, and one of them upcoming could be for a product giveaway with instructions on how to win it. Thanks again to Pictek, and I will see you guys on the next one.